Good morning, students. We are in week 5 currently, and I just wanted to go over what your portfolio project is going to entail this week. So if you open up the week 5 folder, you will see that we're studying the nervous system, the endocrine system, and the senses. You will be doing your discussion this week. Please make sure that you post your initial discussion post by Wednesday of 150 words. And for this week, you're going to be choosing 3 different conditions, one each from the nervous system, one endocrine system, and one condition related to the different senses. And then make sure that you sign in on 2 other days of your choice throughout the week and reply to 3 of your classmates. Make sure that when you're replying to your classmates that you address each person by their first name and then sign with yours, as this is how you'll be expected to communicate in professional settings. For your week 5 quiz this week, it's going to be 10 questions once again. They're going to be true-false questions and multiple choice and some fill-in-the-blanks related to the lecture material. It is untimed and you do have 2 attempts. If you grade below a 70, I encourage you to retake the quiz so that you can achieve a higher score. And here is your week 5 portfolio project, and I'm just going to open up that training manual template for you. And we always find that in course assessments. And we'll open up the training manual template. Your training manuals are looking amazing so far. And I think what's helping students is leaving the prompts in versus getting rid of them, because then you can check your work after you've submitted your entry and then make sure that you've answered each one of these. So we're going to scroll down to week 5, and below each diagram, address each of the following prompts. Each prompt should be 50 to 90 words. And here are the prompts for this week. You're going to be identifying the location and function of the hypothalamus, which is in the brain. Identify the difference between chemical and electrical signaling. Share and discuss 3 hormones and their functions, and identify 3 main types of neurons and their functions. And then here's another set of prompts. You're going to be identifying different sections in the brain, what their function and location are, the number of cranial nerves, function of each cranial nerve, and identify if the cranial nerve is a sensory, motor, or mixed type of nerve. And then you're going to have a section on the endocrine system, and make sure that you include your summary in the body of your work. Then you will save that and upload that into Blackboard like you've been doing. If you've got any questions this week, please let me know. If you have any past due assignments, please know that you can still get those in. But I look forward to another great week of learning. The nervous system and the endocrine systems are 2 of my favorite systems in the body. I find them both very fascinating, and I really like helping people with different nervous system and endocrine system disorders. Make sure that you're going through the presentation of your lecture as early in the week as possible, and always remember to download and save your document, because this is your textbook. All right, I will talk to you all later. Take care.